Life is full of choices. From the moment we wake up, we face a barrage of decisions. What to eat for breakfast? What to wear to work? These choices can feel overwhelming. Our brains are bombarded with information. It's easy to feel paralyzed by the fear of making the wrong choice. But decision-making doesn't have to be a struggle. There are simple strategies we can use to make smarter choices with greater ease. By understanding how our minds work, we can navigate the complexities of daily life with confidence. Let's explore some of these strategies together. We often hear the phrase, trust your gut. But what does that actually mean? How does our gut feeling guide us in making decisions? Intuition is our brain's way of processing information quickly and unconsciously. It's like having a supercomputer in our heads that works behind the scenes. It's based on our past experiences, knowledge, and emotions. These layers of information help us make snap judgments without us even realizing it. Our intuition can be a powerful tool in decision-making. It allows us to react swiftly and effectively in situations where time is of the essence. Sometimes, our gut feeling can steer us in the right direction, even when we can't explain why. It's like an internal compass guiding us through life's complexities. Researchers have found that our unconscious mind can often make better decisions than our conscious mind, especially when we're facing complex situations. This is because our unconscious mind processes vast amounts of information effortlessly. Think of it like this. Our conscious mind is like a spotlight focusing on a limited area. It can only handle a small amount of information at a time. Our unconscious mind, on the other hand, is like a floodlight, taking in a much wider range of information. This allows us to see the bigger picture and make more informed decisions. Habits play a crucial role in simplifying our lives. When we form good habits, we automate our decision-making processes. This frees up our mental energy for more important choices. For example, let's say you're trying to eat healthier. Instead of agonizing over every meal choice, you could establish a habit of prepping healthy meals on Sundays. This way, you've already made the decision about what to eat for lunch throughout the week. Habits reduce decision fatigue. By establishing positive routines, we can conserve our cognitive resources for decisions that truly require our full attention. Section 4. Real-world examples, from coffee to careers. Let's look at some real-world examples of how these principles play out in everyday life. These scenarios will help us understand the practical application of intuition and habits. Imagine you're deciding whether to take a new job. It's a significant decision that could impact various aspects of your life. Your intuition might tell you that the company culture isn't a good fit, even if the salary is tempting. This internal signal is crucial and shouldn't be ignored. This gut feeling could be based on subtle cues you've picked up during the interview process. These cues might include the behavior of your potential colleagues or the overall atmosphere of the office. Or perhaps you're trying to choose between two different apartments. This decision also involves weighing various factors. One is closer to work, but the other has more space. Each option has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Your habits might come into play here. For instance, if you have a habit of working late, a shorter commute might be more beneficial. If you value your free time, the apartment closer to work might be the smarter choice, even if it means sacrificing some square footage. This choice aligns with your daily routines and priorities. These examples highlight how intuition and habits work together to guide our decisions. They are powerful tools that help us navigate complex choices. By understanding these underlying mechanisms, we can make choices that align with our values and goals. This awareness empowers us to live more fulfilling and intentional lives. Section 5. Your action plan. Making smart decisions easier. So, how can you apply these insights to your own life? It starts with understanding the power of your own mind and body. Start by paying attention to your intuition. This inner voice often knows what's best for you, even when your logical mind is uncertain. When faced with a decision, take a moment to tune into your gut feeling. This can provide valuable insights that might not be immediately obvious. What is your body telling you? Often, physical sensations can guide you towards the right choice. Next, focus on building habits that support your decision-making goals. Consistent practice can make a significant difference. If you want to be more decisive, practice making small decisions quickly. This helps in reducing hesitation and builds confidence. Over time, this will train your brain to be more agile and responsive, making it easier to handle bigger decisions. Remember, decision-making is a skill that can be learned and improved. It's not something you're just born with. By trusting your intuition, building good habits, and understanding the science behind our choices, you can navigate the complexities of life with greater confidence and clarity. Embrace the journey of becoming a better decision maker.